There's Christopher. Hi, Christopher. Today is July the 2nd, 1996. He's almost 1 year old.
Okay.
And there's John.
Let's go in.
Big bro. Gonna bring him through the sprinklers. There's Nicole. Hi, Nicole.
Hi.
Beautiful little princess.
Let's go.
How many teeth you lost?
3.
How about 4? 2 on the bottom, 2 on top?
Yeah.
How much did the tooth fairy give you?
$1.
$1?
Uh-huh.
Was that a lot?
Yeah.
Good. What are you going to do with that $1?
I don't know.
Christopher, he doesn't like the sprinklers on. He's walking almost. Come on, Christopher, walk, walk. He's doing great. Oh, he's doing his frog walk, his frog crawl. The water, the sprinklers. Come on, Christopher. Come on. You almost got it. Come on, Christopher. He's a good boy. You're walking. Huh? There's John Nicole.
Look at my buddy.
Nicole, be careful of his head. Here comes the mama. What are you doing, big guy?
Muddy! Ow!
Get out of the mud. Daddy's going to get upset. Get out of the mud. Nicole?
Look at my feet! I'm gonna wash them off.
Here's Christopher. What's the matter, Christopher? Huh? Huh? What's the matter? What? Here's John. Here's
Watch us
Christopher
slide.
playing with the radio.
Watch us slide. Watch me.
Okay.
Watch us slide. No, look at the mic over there.
Okay, I'll watch. I'm watching you. On Daddy's
Okay,
good graph.
watch the pro.
Okay, here comes the pro.
Okay. Watch the angel grow.
That's gross.
Watch the angel grow. Mom, watch the angel grow.
Okay, here's the Angel Grow Pro.
You call that champion?
Champion.
I might need to get all watery. There we go. Oh, I messed up. I can redo.
We need a retake. Go, Nicole. Woo! That one even hit the wall.
Hey, you guys, watch my baseball slide.
Okay, here comes John's baseball slide. Here he comes.
I messed up.
I don't think that's the way they slide.
No, but they do slide head first.
No, it's dangerous head first.
Now watch me.
Okay,
Baseball slide.
John's gonna try another baseball slide.
She messed me up. Okay, now it's her. I was gonna go with you. Are you gonna go?
Hurry up. There's Christopher with Mama's radio.
She's messing me up. Tell her to stop.
Hurry up, John. Sort of.
Safe.
Safe, yep.
Watch my ballerina slide.
Okay, here comes Nicole
Watch my ballerina.
with her ballerina slide.
Ah!
Nicole.
My turn again. Watch my baseball
mama's boys.